how I jump back. Yeah, the hurricanes never go away, so I'ma stand firm, tell them I don't blow away. In me. Hey, what you call that? Some call it perseverance, some people say endurance, but I know for sure it's got me so secure. Yeah, I got faith, that's why I hold on, cause I'm an alien. I'm about to phone home, I'll be long gone. See your hard times, hello, joy, love, peace, and a sound mind.
Do a little drill, show you how you get prepared for a good workout. Alright, let's go.
I know it's gonna kill me, but I just can't let it go. And the taste of appealing's got a grip upon my soul. These honey dip lies mesmerize me. Pride's got its crooked fingers twisted all inside me. Fools walk the path I'm on, never to be seen again. Sipping on seduction while we eating on some secret sins. Says a whisper in my ear, and I know I should be over this, but I ain't seeing clear. And I ain't leaving here unless somebody save me. Walk into my grave, letting evilness enslave me. Evil looks so lovely, covered in her lace of lies, and a silky smooth seduction just manipulates my mind. Her fabric of fabrication is fueling my fascination. While I'm intoxicated, she starts her assassination. Losing all my honor and my years to the merciless. Giving all my life away, but I'm just so immersed in this. Go down the dirt, so don't let her consume you. Even though her heart is black, her exterior's beautiful. She'll take your life away and strip away your joy. Pretends that she gon' build you up, but she just gon' destroy you. My friends fell low when they were so high. Got me running scared of myself, no lie. And I know I'm gon' die. I tried cold turkey, but when I'm feeling worthy, Satan sure trying to murder me. I'm doing myself dirty, flirting with what's perverted. I should follow the word, but I guess I'd rather be murdered. Excuse me, I mean martyred, cause I'm killing myself. My sin conceived a baby, and we gon' name her death. Breath, take it, she take my breath away. Replaces it with poison, and I'm so swept away. I need some prayer today. Hope I wake up before they start my wake up. Somebody make me break up, I'm dating her.